Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to install NBA TV on Roku for free, explained clearly and step by step, so you can start watching available NBA content on your Roku device. Step 1. Turn on your Roku device. Make sure your Roku is connected to your TV and the internet. From the home screen, ensure you're signed in to your Roku account. Step 2. Open the Roku Channel Store. Using your Roku remote, scroll down and select Streaming Channels to open the Roku Channel Store. Step 3. Search for NBA TV. Choose Search Channels and type NBA or NBA TV. Look for the official NBA channel. Step 4. Add the NBA channel to Roku. Select the NBA channel and click Add Channel. The channel will download and automatically appear on your Roku home screen. Installing the channel itself is completely free. Step 5. Open the NBA channel. Go back to the home screen and open the NBA channel. You'll see options for NBA TV content, highlights, and live programming. Inside the app, you can watch free highlights, clips, and occasional NBA TV free previews without subscribing. These free sections are available directly after installation. Step 7. Sign in if you have an NBA account. If not, you can continue watching the free content available in the app. Step 8. Keep the app updated. Make sure your Roku system is up to date so you don't miss free previews or new features added to the NBA channel. That's how you install NBA TV on Roku and watch available content for free in just a few simple steps. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more easy step-by-step streaming tutorials.